everyone. Good morning and good afternoon. This is my first video in my YouTube channel. My channel name is Growing Up Togethers. Welcome to Growing Up Togethers. Happy New Year, all of you, where we will describe all C# programming in this channel. My name is Mahima Pandey and I am extremely excited you all with me today. Now let's start. Whether you are a complete beginner or looking to enhance your skill in this channel is designed to help your master C# and build amazing application. For the basic of syntax to advanced concepts like object-oriented programming. In today's video, we are going to kick things off with an introduction to C#. We will cover what C# is, what it is such a powerful language, and how you can get started with your first program. So, if you are ready to embark on the coding journey, make sure to hit the subscribe button and let's get started. First thing, let's talk about C# is. C# is versatile modern programming language developed by Microsoft and it is widely used for building Windows application, web services and even gaming with Unity. Now let's set up development program and development environments to start coding in C#. You will need to download and install Visual Studio, which is a powerful IDE that make coding easier and more efficient. So, we have described more things related to C#. C# programming. Now, move to the first slide. This is an agenda for today's video. First point is introduction to C#.NET language. Why C#? Key advantages. The .NET ecosystem and key features of C#. Key tools and libraries in C#, C# language features. Common C# .NET use cases, C# performance. C# and .NET security features. Advantages of using C#.NET. And next one is creating my first C# program. Compiling and executing my program. Defining class. Declaring main method. How I can add comment in my program. And last one is how I can debug my program. Introduction C#.NET language. C#, pronounced C#, is a modern object-oriented programming language developed by Microsoft. Part of the .NET framework, now .NET Core and .NET 5 Plus framework. Part of the .NET ecosystem for developing cross-platform applications, used for developing Windows application, web services, mobile apps, and more. Why C#? Key advantages. Modern language combines easy to use with powerful features, object-oriented, supports inheritance, polymorphism, and abstraction. Type safe. Helps prevent type error and runtime crash. Versatile. Suitable for a wide range of application for web to gaming. Robust security. Provides strong security features for developing secure applications. The .NET ecosystem. The .NET framework, rich class libraries, Windows-based application, .NET Core, cross-platform, open source framework supports Windows, Linux, Mac OS, .NET 5 Plus, unified platform, combining the benefit of .NET Framework and .NET Core. ASP.NET Framework for building modern web apps and APIs. Entity Frameworks. ORM Object Relational Mapper for Data Access. Key features of C#. This is all the key features of C# like object-oriented programming, cross-platform, garbage collection, strongly typed language, etc. So first thing is object-oriented programming. This is called OOPS. Classes, objects, inheritance, and polymorphism. Encounters modular, reusable, and maintainable code. Cross-platform. Work on Windows, Linux, and macOS via .NET Core and .NET 5 Plus. Garbage collection. Automatic memory management. Reducing memory leaks and improving performance. A strongly typed language helps to catch type related error at compile time. Ensure more predictable and reliable behavior. Integrated development environment IDE. Powerful IDE like Visual Studio provide code suggestion, debugging tool and integration. Built-in tool for testing, version control and deployment. This is all the key features of C#. Key tool and libraries in C#. Visual Studio, the leading IDE for .NET development with powerful features like intelligence, debugging and more. And NuGet, a package manager to add external libraries to your project. LinkU, language integrated query, a powerful query syntax for working with collections, database, and XML data. ASP.NET Core, a framework to build fast, modern, and scalable web application and APIs. Xamarin. This is also a key tools. A cross-platform framework to build mobile application for iOS and Android and Windows. Entity framework simplifies database access with an ORM with maps C# objects to database tables. C# language features. Delegates and events. Supports event-driven program. Crucial for developing interactive application. LinkU, language integrated queries for filtering, sorting and manipulating data in a clean and readable way. Properties and indexes makes object data more accessible while encapsulating in implementation details. Asynchronous programming. With the async and await keyword, C# simplifies asynchronous program for efficient operations. Generic. Allow the creation of reusable and type-safe data structure. Common C#.NET use cases. Web development. ASP.NET Core is used to build scalable, high-performance web application and RESTful APIs. And also mobile application. This is mobile development. Xamarin allows developers to write cross-platform mobile application with C#. And also we have created desktop application, build Windows application using WPF, Window Presentation Foundation or WinForms. Game development. C# is a primary language used to Unity, one of the most powerful game engines for building 2D and 3D games. Cloud application. C# is widely used for build Azure cloud services and microservices. Machine learning. C# support ML.NET and open source machine learning framework for building custom models. C# performance. Just-in-time JIT compilation. C# code is compiled into intermediate language IL then compile at runtime to native machine code. Ahead of runtime, AOT compilation available in .NET 5 Plus for improved startup time and reduce memory uses in certain case. Memory management. C# use garbage collection to automatically manage memory allocation and deallocations. C# and .NET security features. Code access security. Ensure code run in a secure environment. Role-based security. Restrict access to certain part of an application based on user role. Cryptography. Libraries available for encryption, hashing, and data security. Managed code. Ensure the security of program through the .NET Runtime CLR. Advantages of using C#.NET. Cross-platform development, build once and run anywhere. Rich ecosystem. Comprehensive libraries, framework and tool for rapid development. Strong performance. Optimize for high performance application. Scalability. Easy scale for small app to enterprise level system. Security. Built-in security features for safe, reliable application. Define a class in C#. In C#, a class is the blueprint of creating objects instance. A class encapsulates data for the object and method to manipulate the data. Main method. Main is the entry point of any program where the program control start and ends. It is a declare inside a class or struct. It must be static and it should not be public. It can either have a void or int return type. Main method can be declared with or without parameters. Okay, now move to the download the Visual Studio for create setup for development environment. Now move to the browser. This is our Chrome browser. Here you can search the Visual Studio Microsoft.com. Oh, please wait a minute. Yeah, this is our Chrome browser. Now move to download the Visual Studio. Here you can search the Visual Studio Microsoft.com. Now, here you can this type of window. So click on the download Visual Studio button. Your Visual Studio downloading start. So make sure download this Visual Studio and also install this Visual Studio in your system. In my system, I have already a Visual Studio. So let's open. This is the Visual Studio. Now, here you can click the create a new project, and here you select the console app. Console app.NET framework. And here you create your project name. This is my project name. Now click on the create button. This is the automatically created window. So now start for the program. Here you write the console.writeLine. This is the message. Hello world with growing up together. Click on the start button. For running this program. Your program is created, but your screen is not opening. So here you write the console.readline. Yeah. This C# readline console.readline method is mainly used to read the complete string until the user press the enter key or a new line character is found. So let's start. Click on the start button. Now, this is the console prompt. Here you can see hello world with growing up together. Okay, so, okay. Here is the classic first program in our programming language, printing hello world to the console. That's just a beginning. In future video, we will explore variables, data type, control structure and much more. So make sure to stay tuned and keep coding. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe for more C# programming tutorial. See you in the next video. Thank you everyone. Have a good day. Thank you.